Welcome back to ChaoLee Adventures as we head into the third day in Krabi. We woke up early in the morning to go for a walk along the beach before checking out of our hotel.
After having breakfast at our hotel, the first destination for today is Khaothong Hill. This cafe is on the side of the mountains with an amazing view.
We ordered drinks and dessert from the cafe and enjoyed the beautiful view before heading down for lunch at the Khaothong Terrace restaurant.
Remember our venture the last 2 days to find fresh durian? Well, our tour guides did not disappoint. They brought us to a durian shop selling only durian. Come watch us enjoy some delicious durian. Not everyone is a big fan. It is an acquired taste, but once you're addicted, you'll crave for it. We had 2 durians between 6 people.
After enjoying our durian, we went to a Krabi souvenir store that sells many items made specifically in Krabi.
Because we did a detour for the durian shop. Unfortunately, when we got to the tiger cave, aka Wat Tam Sua, it was too late to climb up the hill.
It is now time to say goodbye to our tour guides, and on we go with the rest of our journey.
We want to give a special shout out to our tour guides, Sisa and Burr, for showing us such a wonderful time in Krabi. They were so friendly, talkative, patient, and such great sports. They also took some amazing photos for us. We recommend you give them a try because we will be returning to Krabi again because of the wonderful experience we've had. Now let's see what's in store for us next on this journey in Thailand. Bye bye!